Hello guys, welcome back to a new episode of Stone Block. Oh, I did it again. Welcome back to an episode of Project Ozone 3 Kappa Mode. And today I want to continue on with my plan to build power storage and hopefully get a plate manufacturing up and running. There we go. So now we have the plates to do it. And we need to find it. There it is. I don't have an iron ingot. Put this quartz away. We'll save that for later when we need it. And back to the low voltage thing. Oh, we need to trade wood. That's what we didn't have. There was something. So I almost got all the glass into this. I did not finish it. But it's finished enough to look presentable for now. I will work later on finishing that up. Okay, so now we got an LV capacitor. Let's test this out. Oh. Blocks too high. That's the input, I think. Let's see, is this producing? Yes, it's producing RF. Sweet. Okay, let's stop this for a second. Actually need it to be right there. Problem being, actually we can probably put it one block higher. We need it to be set up in such a way that we can actually use it, because it needs to have an output. Oh. Never mind. I just was being stupid. Set it right there. Together. That should be good. And then that'll go into our thing that we're going to build now. To complete a quest. Metal press. We need 2 conveyor belts, 2 steel scaffolding, a heavy engineering block, a piston, and a redstone engineering block. So we need a redstone engineering block, a heavy engineering block, piece of steel scaffolding. And then conveyor belts. I think that was everything, right? Okay, so I can definitely make the conveyor belts, I think. Well, let me check and see. That's 2 steel scaffolding, but I think you get 2 from a crafting recipe. So you get 6. So you need 3 steel ingots and steel rods. This shouldn't be too hard. Actually, let's look at these engineering. So we need 4 steel plates and the steel things, which engineer's workbench. Okay, maybe we're going off on a bit of a tangent here today to do this. This I'm going to delete for now. We'll come back to it in a little bit. So we're going to need... I'm probably going to want to do this anyways, just because I think it's a quest anyways. Wood, a crafting table, not treated. That, okay. What does the quest for that require? Just that? Yeah. so we need some treated wood. Should be enough because I think we might. Alright, so we're gonna make ourselves this. So we have this thing. This should be useful for us. Right, so to make, we need to make these machine things, engineering blueprint, metal press, crafting components, and projectiles. Okay, so we need iron, aluminum, and copper, blue dye, and paper. How do we get paper in this pack? Let's first get this. Okay, so I need. I need 8 steel for this. This is inbar plates. This is steel plates. And redstone. Okay, so this is going to require quite a few things. So I think we're going to go off camera and get to work on this stuff, and then I will bring you guys back in probably, I don't know, however long this takes to get done. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, we're back. So I ran into a bit of a hiccup in making what I was going to do off camera. Can't make electrum. Okay, so we can smelt out plates of electrum, but cannot smelt out plates of invar. Invar plates can't be smelted that way. We have to make an alloy kiln and alloy it. So I'm going to do the invar that way too, just to be safe, in case there's something it's not telling me about in this. So due to that, I don't know that we're actually going to finish this episode. Also, we need more redstone for the redstone alloys, because we need 2, and I only have enough redstone for 1. So we are going to, I'm getting the aluminum ready right now. And of course there's this stuff, which needs us to have aluminum, iron, copper, paper. That was one of the other things I didn't look at. Paper, we're going to need to hammer some wood. And then we're going to want, I'm getting a little sidetracked right now. We'll get right back to this alloy kiln in a second, I promise. But first I'm going to do this just to get it out of the way, since we can actually do it. We don't have to wait on anything to do this. Okay. And then later on I'll make a bonsai pot. And at some point I'll make the bonsai pot for it, and we'll never have to get it again the old-fashioned way. Well, the new-fashioned way. That's everything we need. That. Crafting components, blueprint. So now we have the engineering blueprint we needed. And we're going to build ourselves an alloy kiln, so that we can quit having all the problems. I did get a couple of things together, so this is done, that's done. We just need these 2 things, which are going to take a while. I also realized this requires this, which requires a bunch of zinc and tungsten. So that's going to probably be a next episode thing, because it's going to take a while to grind out all that stuff. But for now, let's work on this alloy kiln, which means we need sand and clay. So let's put this away. Clay to smelt into bricks. So we can. I already had some. Let's get this cobblestone turned into gravel, which is then turned into sand. How many bricks do we get out of one recipe? We need 8, so we need 4 recipes. So we need 8. We need 2 clay and a bunch of sand. Let's get the wand use. Get some use out of our wand. Oh, we have sticks already. Nice. This, turn it all into sand. We need that much turned into dust. There's our bucket. Let's get that smelting up. Trying to quickly get through this so that next episode we can get this. Need 8 of those. The rest of the sand here. Just waiting on that. And we should probably get, if we have tungsten. So let's look at this thing. This thing's going to require 4 of these fine copper wires. We need 2 tungsten. Or 1. Oh, so that would be perfectly enough because this will double. Sweet. Well, let's check that before we... No, we cannot double tungsten. Okay. So I'm going to need to find 1 more tungsten than that. And then let's go back into this. Need a bunch of zinc, which we don't have any of zinc right now. Because we just smelted it all up. So we're going to have to get that in between episodes. We need 4 zinc and 2 tungsten. We have to make a quick nether trip during the break of 2 episodes and get all that stuff together. And since we're running out of time for the episode, let's hope this clay is done so we can get, it is, so that we can get some lovely kiln bricks and build the 3rd multi-block from this mod that I'm going to build. Where am I going to set this one up? Yes. Here should be good. Hammer it. Beautiful. Okay, so this one I think just takes electrum. It's just silver copper. I think it just takes coal. Might also use charcoal, but I don't know. Gold and silver. So we're gonna get that for in between episodes, and I'm gonna get together all the stuff we need in between episodes. Do a little bit cleanup on some of the things we do have already going, all that stuff. So we're gonna claim our award, which, let me guess, Components. Press molds. Yep. Give me the thing that I made. Of course it did. Put that over with this stuff. So we're going to end the episode there. Just because I don't think we can do anything more to advance this until I do a substantial amount of off-camera work that would be no fun for you all to watch. So we're going to end it here. We didn't do what we wanted to do this episode, but we did get this kiln up and running, which is cool. And yeah, hope you all enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you did. Been loving the comments. Glad to see them. Happy you're all enjoying this. And yeah, just all in all, have a great day, guys, and I will see you next episode. Goodbye.